Hello friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and Diploma Mechanical Engineering. Okay, what is the use of a ITF fitter? If you complete ITF fitter, what type of a job you will get? Okay, I will explain everything, friend. Then first you have to study SLC. SLC should be completed in your state, okay, or in our state. Okay, see the SLC mass card will come like this. Okay friends, after SLC we have to do 2 years training course that is called as ITA, Industrial Training Institute. In a Industrial Training Institute there are different and varieties of courses, like for electrical, welder and mechanical, then fitter, then automobile. More classes are there. Whatever your choices you can take, whatever your designation you can take, whatever your interested in the subject you can take. In ITI fitter it will come like this, the certificate will come like this. See friends, this is the state of Karnataka. The certificate will come like this. Okay, in your state it will come differently, but what is the use of this certificate I will tell you. What and all they mention: Department of Employment and Training, State Board of Examination, Craftsman Training Scheme, Personal National Trading Certificate and Engineering Trade. They will mention in your state, like here they mention, see here, Government of Karnataka. In Andhra Pradesh, then in your state like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chandigarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Odisha, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tirupur, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. In your state they will mention the certificate symbol like this if you have finished ITA. Okay, what is the use of a ITA? After ITA 2 years course, if you completed the ITA 2 years course, then one more year you have to complete like a NCVT, National Council Occasional Training, that is called as a apprenticeship. In an apprenticeship the company will give a stipend for you with your experience, what you have learned in 2 years. In they will join into a one more company, like if you apply for apprenticeship they will give a certificate like this. This is called as a NCVT, which is come from Delhi. Okay friends, this certificate what they are mentioned is Government of India, Ministry of Labor, National Council for Vocational Training, National Apprenticeship Certificate. What is the use of the fitters? Many central government companies like HAL, DRDO, ISRO, RRB, this all are the this thing central government. Okay, you can join in the private company also in your local area. They will be separately like industrial area. Okay, you visit industrial area, then you can understand what I am telling. You can learn many more things. You will get benefits what the company is providing, PF, ESI, everything. Okay friends, this will be very useful. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends. Okay, social media is a very big world. Okay, whatever it is there, I'll give you the website for the government and private also. You after finishing fitter, then 2 years training, then after that apprenticeship, you will get around 1,20,000 yearly. Then the pension, then PF, they will tell PF. Okay, provident fund. I have written website for the government also, then for the private company also. Many companies are there, like I will explain you. I'll show my this thing, websites and all, where and all you get the job offers for the fitter or electrical, electronics and mechanical, automobiling and everything. See, I have written the every website in your state or anything. You can change the state if you are interested wherever you are working in the industries. Like I explain you, I'll show my websites for you. Many websites are there. See here, friends, you can take a screenshot, anything. See here, whatever the cross mark I have written here, that and all government. Okay, see this and all the websites you can see. You can get more jobs. See here. If any doubt, please comment me. My email ID also in the description. You can send me. See, I am showing. This and all the website you can get a job around 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. Please friend, subscribe me, comments me, share the video to your friends. It will be very useful to me. For you, nobody given me guidance also. Actually I am giving a guidance in 2020. Anyway, in present in Karnataka government, who will all finish the 10th standard, they are getting a result within 1 week. What is the plan? You can make it. Thank you friends. Subscribe, like, comments, put Jai Hind. Thank you friends.